हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. Today we are going to show you how you can find out what's trending around the world with just one app. So without any further ado, let's get started. So all you have to do is download this app called Trendy, and it is available on Play Store, so you can install it into your device very easily. Now I'm gonna install the app to show you how it works. So this is what the app looks like, and as you can see, these bubbles, you can move them around however you like, and these bubbles are the most trendy things right now which are in United States, as you can see on the scroll down menu, and you can select whichever country you want, and then it will change up and show you the most trendy things in that country. Girl Child Day in India right now, it's the most trending. So I selected India from the scroll down menu, and all of these things that appeared, Girl Child Day and UFC, all of these are trending in India right now. And if you want more information about each of these things, just click on the bubble that you want to know more about, and you will see a little paragraph about the information and a URL link which will take you to that page with all the information about the latest news. As I clicked on the link under UFC, you saw that it took me to this business world page, and it has all the necessary information that I want to know about. Also, I want to remind you to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated to the videos that we post, and we post daily. Similarly, like this, if you belong to a different country, all you have to do is go to the scroll down menu and select your country, and then you'll be able to see all the trendy things, all the trendy topics that are going on around in your country. And this bar that you can see here, as you scroll it towards the right, it will show you all the trendiest things that were in the last 14 days, and similarly if you scroll it down to the left, it will show you in the last 2 days, and that's how you can know what's the most trendiest thing in the last 2 weeks. I really hope that you find this app useful, and with this we will be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?